Hello, my name is Dmytro Zakharov, I'm from Ukraine, and the topic of my research is simulation of light propagation in optically inhomogeneous medium. One can find many different stunning images or mirages on the internet. However, how do they work and how can they be described? Take an arbitrary medium, such as air, for instance. If you put some source of light in it, the light from the source will propagate just straightforwardly. However, if we take the inhomogeneous medium, then these rays will distort. This deviation is the main reason for mirage's occurrence, but besides that, this inhomogeneity occurs in many other phenomena as well, such as astronomical refraction or sunwave propagation, for instance. Suppose that we know two parameters, the refractive index distribution and the initial position and direction of the beam. The goal of our research is to find the beam trajectory based on these parameters. Firstly, we describe the LED model in our research. The LED model is the medium in which the refractive index depends on only one coordinate. So let's divide the whole medium into thin layers and then consider the refraction on these boundaries. Based on two parameters, which you can see on the slide, we derived the analytical formula for the trajectory, which you can see again on the slide. We substituted three cases, which we'll further use to check the accuracy of the proposed algorithms. In our research, we proposed two algorithms. First one is a cell algorithm, the essence of which is dividing the medium into the small rectangular cells in which the refractive index is constant. The second one is a gradient algorithm. The idea of this algorithm is dividing the medium into surfaces along which the refractive index is constant, and then considering the refraction on these boundaries. After implementing both algorithms, we decided to check their accuracies. And as you can see from the slides, the accuracy of both algorithms is high. In fact, the deviation of the theoretical curve from the practical one for the gradient algorithm is less than 1%, whereas for the cell algorithm, it's approximately 1.6%. But also, these algorithms can build trajectories that depend on time. Let's see how these algorithms can cope with the construction of such trajectories. Now, let's draw the conclusion. We examined the beam trajectory in the light medium, then described and implemented two algorithms for finding the beam trajectory, studied the dependence of the deviation between our results and exact theoretical ones, and after checking the accuracies, the cell algorithm gave a deviation of about 1.6%, whereas for the gradient algorithm gave a deviation which is even less than 1%. Thank you for your attention.